Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Figma variables for responsive brand tokens, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Figma variables for responsive brand tokens, begin by opening your Figma project. Navigate to the Assets panel on the left side of the interface. Click on the Team Library icon at the top of the panel. Ensure you have access to a library that includes brand tokens or create a new one if necessary. Next, go to the Design System file within your team library. Once there, locate the styles you wish to convert into variables, such as colors, typography, and spacing. Click on each style to open it in the right sidebar. For color styles, click on the paint icon, then select Create Variable. Name your color variable clearly, such as primary color. For typography, select the text style in the sidebar. Click on Create Variable and follow the same naming convention. Be sure to specify the font size, weight, and line height in the variable details. Next, focus on spacing variables by selecting the corresponding styles. Create variables for padding and margin, naming them according to their usage. Once all desired variables are created, navigate to the main page of your Figma project. Click on the Assets panel again and find the Variables section. From here, drag and drop your newly created variables onto the canvas. To apply them, select the elements you wish to style using the variables. In the right sidebar, locate the relevant variable category, such as color or typography. Simply select the variable to apply it to your selected elements. Make sure to preview the changes in different screen sizes to ensure responsiveness. You can adjust the variable values as needed for various breakpoints. Continue refining and testing your design to maintain a cohesive and responsive brand identity. Finally, save your project and share it with your team for further collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.